We are getting new details tonight related to a shocking investigation at a local hospital. You might remember us talking about Johnathan Hayes, who worked at Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist for 15 years.
He's accused of killing 2 patients and nearly killing a third. We now have the warrants detailing what was said during police interviews with the so-called rogue nurse. wFMY News 2's Daniel Cruz joins us live now with what's in those warrants and got reaction from the family of an alleged victim.
Johnathan Hayes was a nurse in the intensive care unit here at Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist when he was charged with 1 count of attempted murder and 2 counts of felony murder. Now, 9 pages of unsealed court documents today reveal the 3 incidents that led to those charges. 2 patients were listed in those documents. That includes Gwen Crawford and Vicky Lingerfeld. Both died in the ICU after experiencing an episode of low blood sugar. Search warrants say both women were given over 100 units of insulin, which attributed to their deaths, which have now been ruled homicides. Search warrants claim surveillance video captured Hayes taking insulin from a medication room, but Hayes said he threw the medication away in a sharps container. Warrants go on to claim that Hayes did not follow the hospital's dual verification method properly before giving certain medications, and that includes insulin. When talking to investigators, Hayes initially denied giving either patient's insulin. However, the documents claim that Hayes went back and forth with investigators, eventually saying that he was only admitting to things because of what the hospital and police were telling him. He said that he would not confess to something he did not do. I spoke with the brother of one of those patients, Gwen Crawford. Jackie Jones says he has no ill will against Johnathan Hayes, the man now accused of killing his sister.
I don't really care about her investigation. I don't care. I don't care because it's not going to make any difference to me. We withdrew on my sister. We withdrew on my sister. So they can say anything they want about somebody killing her, but she didn't stop breathing until we told them to stop. And that's the bottom line. So I have no animosity toward anybody because I know what happened with her.
In April 2022, a third patient, Pamela Little, had also suffered an episode of low blood sugar. May of that year, Little told investigators she had a female nurse, but had seen another male nurse in her room who placed a white pill in her IV. That male nurse later removing the pill. The nurse she described matched Hayes' description. Little survived the insulin dose, but died just a few days after talking to investigators. Johnathan Hayes has his next court appearance scheduled for October of this year. Live in Winston-Salem, Daniel Cruz, wFMY News 2.
Daniel, thank you. That nurse accused of killing those 2 patients worked at every major medical system in the Triad. Investigators say Johnathan Hayes' victims were patients at Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center. Hayes also worked at Devon Health, Cone Health, and Alamance Regional Medical Center.